Hi, welcome back to maths class. So I completed introduction of exercise 1C in previous video. In this video, let's discuss the problems of exercise 1C. So first problem, express the following complex numbers in modulus amplitude form. What is the formula of modulus amplitude form? R of cos theta plus I sin theta. First we can find r, then we can find theta value. So let's solution. First one is 1 minus I. Solution 1 minus I is equals to, I am writing this is in x plus iy form. So z is complex. What is complex number? Z is equals to x plus iy. So this is, we can write in the form x plus iy. 1 plus I of minus 1. See, this is in the form x plus iy. This is x, this is y. X is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 1. So 1 comma minus 1 is in, here this is first quadrant, here plus, here minus, plus. This is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, minus, this is fourth quadrant, plus, minus. 1 comma minus 1, this is positive, this is negative, which is in fourth quadrant. Plus 1, minus 1, plus, minus. 1 comma minus 1, here theta is in fourth quadrant, is in the fourth quadrant. Okay, ప్లస్ 1 ఉంది, మైనస్ 1 ఉంది. సో టీటా ఎందులో ఉంటుంది? ఫోర్త్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో ఉంటుంది. సో టీటా ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? టీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ y బై ఎక్స్. ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో, ఫోర్త్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో టీటా ఫార్ములా tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ y బై ఎక్స్. So in the introduction part we discussed these formulas. Okay, r is equals to under root x square plus y square. Under root of x is 1, y is minus 1. So 1 square plus minus 1 square. R is equals to under root 1 plus 1, that equals to root 2. R is equals to root 2. Theta is equals to, theta is in the fourth quadrant. Theta is equals to tan inverse of y by x. That equals to tan inverse of y is minus 1 by 1, x is 1. That equals theta equals to, so minus 1 ఇక్కడ రాసుకుంటున్నా నేను, tan inverse of 1. Theta is equals to minus tan inverse of, tanలో 1 ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? tan 45 degrees కదా, tan 45 degrees 1. సో 45 degreesని పై బై 4గా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, tan పై బై 4 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1. సో 1ని tan పై బై 4గా రాసుకుంటున్నాం, tan పై బై 4. టీటా ఈక్వల్స్ టు, సో tan ఇన్వర్స్ tan గెట్ క్యాన్సిల్, మైనస్ పై బై 4. theta is equals to minus pi by 4, r is equals to root 2. సో ఇప్పుడు మాడ్యులస్ యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఫామ్ ఏంటి? దేర్ఫోర్ వీ కెన్ రైట్ మాడ్యులస్ యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఫామ్. r వాల్యూ వచ్చేసింది, r is equals to root 2 వచ్చేసింది, theta is equals to minus pi by 4 వచ్చేసింది. దేర్ఫోర్ మాడ్యులస్ యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఫామ్ is equals to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. మనల్ని ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు? మాడ్యులస్ యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఫామ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నారు. సో r ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాము, theta ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాము. r is equals to √2. Cos theta is minus pi by 4 plus I theta is pi by 4. Pi by minus pi by 4. This is modulus amplitude form. First one is completed. See the next one. Second one, 1 plus I √3. Solution. 1 plus I √3 we can write in the form x plus iy. X plus, this is already in form x plus iy. X plus iy. Here x is equals to 1, y is equals to √3. So 1 comma √3 both are positive. Plus 1 plus √3. So theta is in the first quadrant. theta ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? ఫస్ట్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో కదా. రెండు వాల్యూస్ పాజిటివే. Here theta is in the first quadrant. R is equals to under root x square plus y square. మాడ్యులస్ యాంప్లిట్యూడ్ ఫామ్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఫార్ములా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. r ఆఫ్ cos theta ప్లస్ I sin theta. ఫస్ట్ r ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. సో కార్టీషియన్ ప్లేన్లో నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా, r ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు అండర్ రూట్ x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ అని. సో దట్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు అండర్ రూట్ 1 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y ఈజ్ √3 హోల్ స్క్వేర్. r ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు under root of 1 plus root square get cancel 1 plus 3 that equals to √4. r is equals to √2. Sorry, √4 is 2. r is equals to 2. So first quadrant lo theta formula enti? Theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. Theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. Theta is equals to tan inverse y is √3. X is 1. √3 by 1. Theta is equals to tan inverse of √3. tan లో √3 ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? 60 degrees లో వస్తుంది. tan 60 degrees √3. సో tan 60 degreesని ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా. theta is equals to tan inverse of tan of pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 180 by 3. So 180 means 3 6 18. So pi by 3 is 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equals to √3. Theta is equals to tan inverse, tan get cancel, theta is equals to pi by 3. We get r value and theta value. Therefore, modulus amplitude form is equals to amplitude form equals to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. That equals to r is 2. Modulus amplitude form for, therefore 1 plus I √3 is equals to r is 2. Sorry, 2 of cos theta. Theta is pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 plus I into sin pi by 3. This is modulus amplitude form. So this is solution for second one. See the next one. Third one, minus √3 plus I into 1. I of 1. solution. First we can find r and then theta. So minus root 3 plus I of 1. This is in the form x plus iy. X plus iy. X is equals to minus root 3. Y is equals to 1. Here minus root 3 comma 1. Here theta is in second quadrant. Minus plus second quadrant lo kada untai. Is in second quadrant. Second quadrant. So second quadrant lo theta enti, theta is equals to pi plus tan inverse of y by x. ఈ 3 ఫార్ములాస్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. r is equals to under root x square plus y square, that equals to under root of minus root 3 whole square, y is plus 1 whole square, that equals to under root of root square get cancel, square root get cancel. So minus ఏమవుతుంది, ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. 3 plus 1, that equals to root 4, that equals to root 4 is 2. Then r is equals to 2. Next we can find theta value. Here theta is in the second quadrant. Second quadrant lo theta formula enti, pi plus tan inverse of y by x, that equals to pi plus tan inverse of y is 1 by x is minus root 3. So minus root 3, that equals to pi. So minus 1 minus ni here ikkada raskundam, pi minus tan inverse of 1 by root 3. So tan lo 1 by root 3 ekkada ostundi, 30 degrees lo ostundi. Tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 by root 3, that equals to pi minus tan inverse of 1 by root 3 ni tan pi by 6 ga raskochu kada, 30 degrees ni pi by 6, 180 by 6, 30 degrees, that equals to pi minus tan inverse of, sorry here tan inverse tan get cancel, that equals to pi minus pi by 6. So cross product 6 pi, cross multiplication or LCM, 6 pi minus pi by 6, that equals to 5 pi by 6. Theta is equals to 5 pi by 6. Therefore we get r value and theta value. Then modulus amplitude form is modulus amplitude form equals to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. This is formula for modulus amplitude form. Therefore minus root 3 plus I of 1 equals to r is 2 here, 2. Theta is 5 pi by 6, 5 pi by 6 plus I into sin theta is 5 pi by 6. So this is a solution for third one. See the next problem. Fourth one, minus 1 minus I into root 3. Solution, minus 1 minus I of root 3. So we can write this is in the form x plus I with iy, that equals to minus 1 plus I into plus I of minus root 3. This is in the form, this is x plus I of y. X is equals to minus 1. Y is equals to minus root 3. minus 1 comma minus root 3. So minus minus is in the third quadrant. అంతే కదా, థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లోని ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ మైనస్ ప్లస్, హియర్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ మైనస్ మైనస్, సో x axis plus y axis minus, so minus minus is in the third quadrant. Here theta is in the third quadrant. First we can find r value. R is equals to under root x square plus y square, that equals to under root of minus 1 whole square. X is minus 1, y is minus root 3 whole square. R is equals to under root of minus 1 whole square 1, root square get cancel, that is plus 3, that equals to under root 1 plus 3 4, root 4 2. R is equals to 2. Theta is equals to, here theta is in the third quadrant. Third quadrant of theta formula enti, theta is equals to minus pi plus tan inverse of y by x. సెకండ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో పాజిటివ్ ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ పై, థర్డ్ క్వాడ్రంట్లో మైనస్ పై. టీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మైనస్ పై ప్లస్ tan inverse of y is minus root 3 by minus 1. So minus minus get cancel. Theta is equals to minus pi plus tan inverse of root 3. So root 3 tan లో ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది, 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees root 3. Theta is equals to minus pi plus tan inverse of root 3. root 3ని ఏ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు, root 3ని tan pi by 3గా రాశాను. Theta is equals to minus pi plus tan inverse, tan get cancel, minus pi plus pi by 3. So we can do cross product here. Minus 3 pi, 3 into minus pi minus 3 pi plus pi by 3 minus 2 pi by 3. This is theta value. Theta is equals to minus 2 pi by 3. We get r and theta. Therefore modulus amplitude form is equals to r of cos theta plus I sin theta. Therefore minus 1 minus I of I into root 3 is equals to r is 2. Cos theta, theta is minus 2 pi by 3 plus I into sin theta is minus 2 pi by 3. This is modulus amplitude form. 2 into 2 of cos of minus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin of minus 2 pi by 3. This is the solution for fourth one. If you have any doubt, please comment, like, share, subscribe for more videos.